Question number 4. Find the ratio in which line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Here you have to find out the ratio M1 is to M2. Okay. So let's try it first. You have taken the point A, that is -3, 10. B point you have taken as 6, -8. Right here, point P divides AB line segment internally. You must write the statement. Internally in the ratio M1 is to M2. So write it, what is x1, y1, x2, y2. Bisection formula. You know the section formula, no? In that what you can find out? You can find out the division point coordinates, that is P point coordinates, which is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Know this formula, no? Again and again you please repeat this formula so that you can by heart that. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. Put the values here. What is M1? M1 as it is M1 only. X2 what it is? 6 plus M2 as it is. X1 what you have taken as? -3 upon M1 plus M2 as it is. The same way you have to write it here also. M1 as it is. Y2 value you have taken as -8 plus M2 as it is. Y1 value you have taken as 10 upon M1 plus M2. P coordinate, that is -1, 6 equal to, multiply this one, 6 into M1, 6M1 minus 3M2 upon M1 plus M2, comma, minus 8M1 plus 10M2 upon M1 plus M2, because I don't know the M1 and M2 values, so I kept as it is. This means the first part will be equal to what? X value. The second part will be equal to what? Y value of the coordinates. Okay. So equate any one so that you will get M1 and M2 ratio. So I am taking -1 which is equal to, first part I am equating, -1 which is equal to 6M1 minus 3M2 upon M1 plus M2. Do the cross multiplication. -1 into M1 plus M2, when you multiply, you will get -M1 minus M2, which is equal to 6M1 minus 3M2. Bring the M1 one side and M2 one side. See, minus M1 goes that side, plus M1, that means 6M1 plus 1M1, that is 7M1. Minus 3M2 comes this side, plus 3M2, plus 3M2 and minus 1M2, it will give you 2M2. Okay. So I need M1 upon M2. I need the ratio M1 is to M2. So multiplied by M2 goes that side, divided by M2. So M1 upon M2, which is equal to, multiplied by 7 come this side, divided by 7. That is 2 upon 7. 2 as it is, multiplied by 7 come this side, divided by 7. So what is the ratio of M1 is to M2? 2 is to 7. So write it here at last. M1 is to M2, which is equal to 2 is to 7. So you got the ratio 2 is to 7. That's your answer. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A point coordinates are 1, -5 and B point -4, 5 is divided by x-axis. and also find the coordinates of the point of division. That means you are going to find out the point of division, that is P coordinates you are going to find out. For that I need to find out what? X value first of all. The line segment AB which is divided by the point P in the ratio M1 is to M2. I don't know the ratio, so I have written M1 is to M2. So right here, let point A, what you have taken as 1 and minus 5. B, you have taken as minus 4 comma 5. So write it here, point P, which is lies on x-axis. That's why I have written here x comma 0. Lie on x-axis. Lie on x-axis means x point will be there, but the y value will be 0. That's why I have written x comma 0. Right? P divides AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. Bisection formula. Bisection formula. You know that how to write the formula. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. The same way you have to write for y, that is M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. Put up the values. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Mark that. M1 as it is, I don't know the value, that's why I have written. X2 is what? Minus 4. Plus M2, x1 is what? 1 upon M1 plus M2. Same way, M1. Y2 value is 5 and M2, Y1 value is minus 5 upon M1 plus M2 as it is, which is equal to P of x comma 0. That means I don't know the x value and the second y value is 0. So we can equate that 0 with the y part, y coordinate. So we can write it 0 equal to 5m1 minus 5m2 upon m1 plus m2. 0 into m1 plus m2, it will give you 0 only. 0 into any value will be 0. So 0 equal to 5m1 minus 5m2. This one you can write it as minus 5m2 come this side plus 5m2. So plus 5m2 which is equal to 5m1. Both the sides 5 will be cancelled. So you can write it m1 upon m2, that is equal to multiplied by m2 both sides are divided by m2. So m1 upon m2 which is equal to 1 upon 1. So here ratio is what? 1 is to 1. I got the ratio m1 is to m2 equal to 1 is to 1. Okay. But I have to find out what value? X value. X value if you want to find out, I have to equate with the first part. X is equal to equate the first part with the first part, that is x coordinate. Minus 4m1 plus 1m2 upon m1 plus m2. You know that m1 and m2 value, that is 1 is to 1. So we can write it here. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus m2 value is what? 1 upon m1 plus m2, that is what? 2. So we can write it minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3 by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. I have to find out the coordinate point of division. What is the coordinate point of division? That is P of x comma 0. So write the answer here. P of x comma 0. The x value is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. This is your point of division coordinates.